Objectives and key results, or OKRs, might be the lifeline marketers didn't know they needed. Most marketing teams are working towards goals that sound great but can't be measured. Increase brand awareness, drive more traffic. Goals like that don't survive a board meeting. OKRs do, because they take your big ambitions and break them into specific, measurable results that your team can track and own. And we're going to tell you exactly how to set them. Here's a step-by-step breakdown of how to build marketing OKRs that actually drive results. The first big mistake marketing teams make with OKRs is setting them in a vacuum. The marketing team writes their goals, leadership writes theirs, and the two never connect. Every marketing OKR should ladder up to a company-level priority. If the business goal is to grow market share sustainably by 20%, then marketing's objective becomes something like drive brand preference among eco-conscious consumers. That's the difference between a team that gets credit and one that gets questioned. Now, getting this alignment right from the start is everything, because if the foundation is shaky, every step after it is built on guesswork. And building that foundation used to mean hours of back and forth, blank docs, and misaligned spreadsheets. Not anymore. ClickUp, the world's first converged AI workspace, has an OKR framework template that hands you the entire structure up front. You don't work with a blank workspace and spend time figuring the format. You get a ready-made system built specifically for teams that want to run OKRs properly from day one. Once you know your business priorities, the next step is breaking them down into focused, manageable objectives. Think of it this way. A company-level goal like expand market share is too big for any one team to own. Marketing's job is to take that and translate it into something concrete, something like become the leading voice in our category, or own the conversation around our core product topics. That's your objective, qualitative, ambitious, and aligned with the whole team. The numbers come next, in the key results. Now that you have your objectives, each one needs key results. That's the measurable proof that you're actually moving towards it. Key results are outcomes, specific numbers, and clear timelines with no room for ambiguity. If you can't put a number on it, it's probably not a key result. So if the objective is to dominate organic search for core topics, the key results could be to increase organic traffic by 30%, publish 20 SEO-optimized posts, and achieve top 3 rankings for 10 target keywords. Here's the truth though, figuring out the right key results is the hardest part of the whole OKR process. Most teams either pick metrics that are too easy, too vague, or completely disconnected from the objective, and by the time they realize it, the quarter's already half over. ClickUp Brain fixes this fast. Built into ClickUp, Brain is a context-aware AI assistant that actually understands your work. Describe the objective and Brain drafts your key results, suggests the right metrics, and tells you what's missing in seconds. The team still owns the final call, but you're starting from something sharp, not something safe. But here's where most OKR efforts quietly fall apart. The objectives are set, the key results look great on paper, but nobody knows who's actually responsible for each one. Every key result needs one clear owner, one person who tracks progress, flags blockers, and reports on it during reviews. Shared ownership sounds cost-prohibitive. In practice, it means nobody owns it. This is where ClickUp views do the heavy lifting. The OKR progress board gives every team member a live view of how each key result is tracking. Now the last step is the one most teams skip, regular reviews. OKRs that only get checked at the end of the quarter are just wishful thinking written in a spreadsheet. A quick 15-minute weekly check-in is enough. What's on track? What's falling behind? Does anything need to shift based on new data? With everything already living in ClickUp, the team walks into that conversation with the answers already visible, not scrambling to find them. Most marketing teams will end this quarter the same way they ended the last one, with results that are hard to explain and goals that were too vague to prove. OKRs are how you break that cycle, and ClickUp is how you run them without it becoming another thing to manage. Set up your framework, let Brain do the heavy lifting on key results, track progress through your views, and walk into every review already knowing your numbers.
If you want to see it work firsthand, then sign up for ClickUp.com for free today.